Alright, I'm in Abbeville. I'm walking to the north end signal. The story is the Abbeville switcher's coming in. I hear him up at Red Street blowing the horn. He's supposed to be rolling through going to Greenwood. I'm just looking. He's got a stop signal on the side and up there. And I'm trying to get where I can see the signal for the main line up here. Yeah, got a clear signal on the main line. They got a taxi sitting up there. I gotta get off them rocks, they're a little bit warm. I'll step back over. Alright, hold on. Alright, sound like it's getting closer. Sound like I hear him rolling down the hill. I assume he's past Red Street. I heard him tap the horn once. It didn't sound like a real good, clear crossing horn salute, you know. I expect to be coming around the corner here shortly. There he is. Let me zoom in, y'all. Looks like just the engine. So I guess they're gonna take it to Greenwood and park it. They set out all the cars, they didn't pick up any. Alright, let me shrink this back out. Alright, I'm gonna turn around and show you the signal. Got green over red on the main line, that's a clear signal. Alright. Abbeville switcher not coming back with any cars. Five, 3, 2, 4. Alright, he took down the signal. Headed to Greenwood. I hate doing like that because it gets shaky and I don't have any way to edit it to take the shake out on this phone. It's got a slightly different editing program. And just steadily rolling downhill. Looks like he's standing still, but he's going over the bridge. You can see him. No, he's coming back in the side, and he just pulled down to get a light. He's going to park this thing in the side and in Abbeville. Sorry about the shake, y'all. Phone's getting heavy, my arms are getting tired. I'll try to look for an editing program to take this vibration out. Waiting on people in Jacksonville, Florida to turn the light green for him. Got to line the switch and stuff. If I knew that, I would have been down there filming that. But I was on the impression he was going to Greenwood. Let me pause it for a second. Oh, he's starting. Sound like he's cranking back up. I can't tell if he's moving or not. Yeah, he's coming back at us now. I guess he's gonna put it on the yard track, the only place he's got to store it around here. He uses that traditionally. So he's got a couple of ditch lights he puts on that end. I guess they're magnetic mount, and he's got some place he can plug them into. So he's got ditch lights on both ends of that locomotive because he runs backwards a lot, so the bottom end of it needs to have lights on it. He carried all his cars out and dumped them off at the customers and stuff. I filmed him the other day. You get an idea of what he had, what type of cars he would have and stuff. And I have talked about this train quite a bit, so y'all look around, you can find it and study it even more, find out what it does and stuff. Alright, I'm out of sight, so I'm going to stop it right now. Alright, love y'all, God bless you. Thank you. Alright, our locomotive's coming back. Let me get over here. He's like on the side and he's coming north. And he's got a medium clear signal down here. I assume what he did, he came down the main line, went back up on the side and to pick up his cars. He didn't get them out of the yard track. And now he should be coming back, I guess, with the cars he's going to take to Greenwood. He's getting ready to put it in the side, and he's taking the derail down, the conductor is. And look, You can see down there, it's not letting me expand this. I don't know why. But anyway, we got red over green. That's a medium clear on the side and down there. Maybe if you got a big computer or something, or you could pull this up. Alright, let's see what he's got. He's got a big old train here. Alright, that was plastic cars. That's from Prysmian. You got 3 gondolas. Those should have granite in them. They don't stick up too high because that stuff's pretty heavy. Yeah, these cars are loaded. You can tell by the spring action on them. These cars are empty. These are grain cars coming out of that grain mill down on the south side of Elberton, Georgia. And you can see on the bottom end down there, you got some more covered hoppers. These look like they got a load sticking out the top, so these are probably pretty heavy too. These are all grain cars. They all come from that grain silo down there. Canadian National FLOX. I assume it's the FLOX now. It used to be a Canadian National. He's probably going to come up and stop. And he'll line that switch and then they'll shove him back on in there. Now, that's my buddy. That's their taxi driver. I don't know who that is, KMHX. Got EAMX, RGCX, so these are probably all borrowed cars from someplace. TR Move. I don't know. RD bought car. I don't know. I can't read some of that stuff. Alright, you're gonna line the switch and they'll start shoving back. Yeah, you can look at the springs on that AMX car, whatever it is. It looks like it's really compressed. It's got good load in it. Alright, we're rolling back, y'all. Shoving back in the yard. Going to the switch. ADMX, that is Arthur Daniel Milling car. GRDX, I don't know who that is. AOKX, I don't know who that is. It's not a railroad because it ends in the X. MWCX, OFOX, OFOX, OFOX. It's the ES40 DC. Notice it doesn't have a lightning bolt on it. He's going to probably put the whole train in there and get in a taxi, go to Greenwood, check out. They've been working for probably about 8-9 hours already. He's going to go line the switch, and he got to go put the derail on, and he'll walk down here and go work. I won't film him because one of these conductors doesn't like me filming them. So if that's him, I'll film him at a long distance, but I won't do any close-ups on him. They got two different conductors run this train, and one of them's a friend, and one of them doesn't want to act too friendly. He's lined the switch back to the siding, and now he's going to reset the derail down there. You got to help tie the train down too, so it don't roll out when they cut it off. He's almost there. He's going to line the derail. Alright, I'm going to cut it off, y'all. All they're going to do is they'll go up and get outside. They'll be tying the train down, and then they'll get off and come this way and get in a taxi. Alright, thank y'all.